Welcome to the future of image editing. Today, we're diving into FLUX.1 Kontext, a groundbreaking AI tool that's redefining how we interact with images. Whether you're a designer, photographer, or content creator, this could be a game changer. All right, everyone. The game just changed. A new image model is here, and it's insanely powerful and easy to use. FLUX.1 Kontext is an AI-powered image editor developed by Black Forest Labs. Unlike traditional editors, it allows you to make precise changes to images using simple text prompts. Want to change the color of a car or remove an object? Just type your instruction, and Kontext handles the rest. You can try with 200 free credit. Just go to FLUX Playground. Link in the description, sign it with Google account, and you already in. Let's see what we can do here. First, I'll tackle something that's really frustrating. Imagine needing a stock image for your new project, but everything you find is covered in watermarks. Let's see how we can fix that. On the main page of the FLUX Playground, you'll see a prompt bar where you can enter your instructions. In the bottom left corner, there's a small box to upload your image. Try uploading an image with a watermark and type a simple prompt like, "Remove the watermark." Also find some settings if click in the three dots. Easily can change aspect ratio, quality, or output format. When all the settings changed what you need and add the prompt and image, just hit the Generate button. And boom, image is done. No watermark, no more frustrating searching. Let's try something different. Click on the Edit tab on the left, then drag and drop another image. I'm going to use this one. Now let's add some heavy rain. Once again, a super simple edit, and the result is incredible. It didn't just add the rain, it made the whole background look soaked. Use the same image and try something more complex. Change the background to the beach, and also change the clothes to something beachwear. As you've seen, no problem at all. Let's do something Midjourney still struggles with. Editing text. I'm using this neon sign and trying to place it on a wall inside an office. Just incredible. Perfect for the first try. At this point, I had used up the free 200 credits. Everything you've seen in this video, plus 3 extra unrecorded tests, completely burned through them. I wanted to run a few more experiments, so I purchased an additional 1,000 credits for $10. Let's try cut it out something from an image. I used a reference image of a woman holding a handbag. My goal was to cut out the handbag and place it on a plain white background. I don't think this needs much explanation. It worked perfectly on the first try. No wasted generation time, no wasted credits. Just a simple prompt and a flawless result. I tried to create a close-up shot from this image. As you can see, when I zoom in, it becomes quite blurry. Here is the close version, also perfect. I drag and drop this black and white old photo and try colorize. Here are the results. Let's try another cool feature called Fill. It's actually a different editing mode that lets you add new elements directly into an image. Just drag and drop the image. When the image was uploaded, get the selection tool to select an area on the image. Once the selection is complete, the prompt bar becomes available, and you can type in what you want to place in the selected area. In this case, I want to place a picture on the wall. Here are some results. And of course, you can change the style effortlessly. Whether it's Disney, pixel art, anime, or even Simpsons style, this image generator handles it with no problem at all. I've shown you some of the coolest features of this new AI tool. If you're interested, don't hesitate. Head over to FLUX Playground, sign in with your AI account, and use your first 200 free credits to create something amazing. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.